Okay, last but not least of the lunch pail variety, we have Strolling Bowling. This one's pretty great. You unfold the lunchbox like a clamshell, and you have these two pieces here. Ours doesn't connect anymore. And then you have this, which are the bowling pins. And they are just little flat pins, as you can see. But they have this little latch here. And so you don't have to pull them up one by one. You can get all 10 pins up at once, which is incredibly convenient. And I think you know what happens here. We take our bowling ball and we let him hop down and hopefully get all the pins down. If you get all the pins down, you get a strike. If you don't get all the pins down, you get a second turn to try to get more pins down. And then the next player goes, just like bowling. Now our little man stroller has been with us for many decades now, and he tends to take a very, very sharp left turn now. We tend to just know that he's going to go left, so we aim him far to the right and let him go. Oh, let's go, buddy. You know, it's fine. Go, go, go. Look at that. 9 pins. Not bad. Not bad, stroller. Hey! If he falls off the side, it's a gutter ball. You get 2 turns unless you get a strike. If you want to actually play 10 frames, that's a lot of math. Good luck to you. Maybe there's an app out there that makes it easier. We just like to let him go and see how many strikes we can get. This was just one of 7 sets that Tomy made. Do you want to see them all? Check out this video for the complete 7 sets.